Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about ActiveCampaign, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up or create an ActiveCampaign account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for ActiveCampaign anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's important to stay in touch with your customers, and with ActiveCampaign, they have a lot of tools to organize your lists and keep in touch with them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ActiveCampaign website, activecampaign.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I already opened up the website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create an ActiveCampaign account, you can go ahead and enter your email address here and click Get Started, or you can click up here on Free Trial. ActiveCampaign, from time to time, they run various specials or bonuses. Check my description for the most recent special they're running. But for me, I'm going to click on Free Trial. Okay, next they're going to tell you a little bit about ActiveCampaign, but you want to go ahead and enter your email address here and then click on Get Started. Okay, enter my email. I'm going to click on Get Started. Okay, next, in order to create your ActiveCampaign account, you need to enter in your name and your phone number and then click on Next Step. So I'm going to enter this in off screen. Okay, enter the required information. I'm going to click Next Step. Okay, now they're asking for my company website. You can go ahead and put that in. If not, click on Next Step. Okay, now they're asking a little bit of information about my company. So how many contacts do you have on your list? How many employees do you have? And then what industry is your business in? Okay, now they're asking if I use an email service. Go ahead and choose if it applies to you and click on Next Step. Okay, next, ActiveCampaign sent me an email confirmation. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that from my email and enter it in here. Okay, next you need to create a password in order to access your ActiveCampaign account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my password here. Okay, I created a password. I'm going to click here, take me to my account. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to my ActiveCampaign account. So now I can go ahead and start putting together campaigns and uploading my list. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create an ActiveCampaign account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.